What it do, gang? Back with another video, man. If this is your first time checking out the channel, go ahead and subscribe, turn on post notifications so you'll get notified every single time I drop a video. So listen, before I show y'all, well, I'll tell y'all what I'm reviewing today, but it's two things I want to show y'all, because every time I leave this lot, y'all know where I'm at, man. Wait, hold on, what is, oh yeah, BMW Montgomery, man, that's where I'm at. You know what I'm saying? But every time I leave this lot and I come back, he always come back with something new. So look, now I just not seen this for the first time, right? That's that smoke show gray, I believe, with the red calibers, right? Now this is the M5, right? This the BMW M5, man. Now, I don't know what BMW got going on right now, but every car they've been dropping lately has been on some real sports, need for speed, on from the dust type of stuff, man. Like, I don't even know. You see it come with the 6 pistons, and I need y'all to take a look at the inside, bro. It's like a, I'm gonna call it red velvet. It's like a burgundy, chocolate red type of deal. I don't know the exact color, but I'm gonna just go with red velvet, man. So red velvet inside, you know, if y'all like red velvet cake, y'all will see why I say that. But I'm just gonna assume this color called Smoke Show, because Dodge came out with a new gray that was this color too. So I'm gonna go with Smoke Show, and it come with the red 6 pistons. But yeah, man, I just had to show y'all the new M5. But before I go in there, I'm gonna show y'all what I really came in here to, you know what I'm saying, show y'all one time. We got another one right there. Now, what's this? This is a this is an M8. It's a new M8. These got a X-drive transmission, suspension, come with 6 pistons. I'm telling you, man, and this one got the bloody guts. Ooh wee. Yeah, it's locked, but this one got the bloody guts on the inside. I know, there you go. Y'all can see it. Yeah, y'all can see that. It got the blood guts on the inside, man. So I don't know what BMW got going on lately, man, but all these cars, that's the M5, the M8, they all got the 6 pistons. They all around 500 plus horsepower, coming from the factory, man. So, hey, but that ain't even what I came to show y'all. I got to show y'all what I want to show y'all real quick. Hold on. And this the man with the plan right here, man. Mr. Brett, get him going himself. Hey, look, before I show them this car, I got to show them this one real quick.
Look at
man,
the crystals.
Look, sneak peek, look real quick. Y'all ready for it? Look. Hold on, we'll be back. But dawg, I'm a little quiet right now because we inside the dealership. We got a lot of customers going on right now, but y'all ready for this? Look, bro. Got to show the inside of this car though. This is the crazy part though. This is the crazy part. Check out the seats, bro. I ain't even gonna take them out, but look, real deal racing seats. Real deal racing seats. Carbon fiber all the way around. Check the screen out, bro. Alcantara leather on the steering wheel, carbon fiber, right? Bro, like, look at the inside of this thing. Look at the inside. And y'all know me. I would have reviewed it, but it's already bought. I just had to show y'all. But that's not what this video is about though. This is what I really came to show y'all. Y'all ready for this? Some more glam shots coming in 3, 2, 1. Wait a minute, I didn't even see the inside of this car. Listen, BMW is snapping lately, bro. All white inside, wood grain, oh, they snapping. So look, now, I really don't know much about this car. So that's where you come in at. So just give them the rundown and the specs of what we got going on right here, bro.
It's a BMW XB7 Alpina. Has over 617 horsepower, 0 to 60 under 4 seconds, and the top speeds of 180 miles an hour in a third row SUV.
And it's a hybrid too, right?
No, it's full gas.
Oh, okay.
Twin turbo V8.
Twin. Ooh, I'm telling you, I was just saying earlier outside, I don't know what BMW got going on lately, but it's like every car they've been producing lately, it's been 550, 600 horsepower and up, and they all clean. Like, you know what I'm saying? And tell them one more time where you located at, bro.
731 Eastern Boulevard, Montgomery, Alabama, 36117.
The only dealership here. And listen, I'm telling you, if you want some and they ain't got it, he can get it. I don't care what it is. But I need to go around so y'all can really see when the sun hit this car and what I see when the sun hit it. I need y'all to pay close attention. Look at the flakes in this paint, bro. Like, can y'all, I know y'all see that. Look at the flakes in this paint, bro. And this is factory, bro. Factory. I know y'all see that because I see it. Like, everywhere. All right? I'm going to show y'all something else, too. The details. Peep this. Right? What they say? They got BMW in the brake lights, bro. BMW in the brake lights. I'm going to let him go ahead and pull this thing outside real quick. But, yeah. The details is amazing, bro. And all of it is straight factory. Alright, y'all, I had to change batteries real quick, but my camera died on me. But yeah, man, I'm gonna take this thing for a quick spin. Look at the end, hold on. Get on the outside shot. Well, this more so nice, man. I'm talking about super nice. Hold on, let me get adjusted right here.
Don't forget to put your massaging seats on.
Oh, wait a minute, hold on. They got massaging seats right here?
Yeah.
Look right there. I'm gonna just do, oh, hold on, seatbelt activate. Alright. Oh, I feel it. I feel it. Man, look, check out this. I'm gonna call it cherry wood grain. Oh, this light up, all this dope.
Yeah, even the sun glass lights up.
Oh yeah. I'm scared to even touch this. What is this?
That's for the
oh, for the AC?
Yeah.
I ain't never seen that like that. They got the, man. Hey, hey, check this out, bro. Crystal, real. I'm talking about real crystal on the gear shift. Like, bro, what? Hey, this is, it's speakers everywhere. Well, y'all can't feel it, but when he put the car in drive, the seatbelt choked up on you real hard. These massaging seats feel pretty good though, man. And listen, oh yeah, you can't beat the satisfaction of a full size. Oh, okay. You can't beat the satisfaction of a full size family car. When I say family car, I mean a real size SUV, not a 4-door sedan that's making this much power. Like, I just don't, that's the new wave these days. But BMW, I would say, are doing a good job. Every car I've encountered, like lately, every car I've driven or rode in at this dealership, you know what I'm saying, SUV wise, sports sedan, 4-door sedan, whatever you want to call it, BMW, but they've been on it lately, man. This car is just so freaking clean. And look at it, it handles well going around the curve, look. I wonder what kind of suspension on here.
It has the adaptive damp suspension.
Now, is that the same one that's on the Shelby's, the GT500s?
No, I mean BMW. They make all of their parts. They don't partnership with any.
No. Yeah, I was saying like I didn't know because I thought that the Shelby had some type of adaptive suspension on it as well.
Yeah,
but
a lot of manufacturers have.
Okay, yeah.
Suspension.
I like this screen though, man. Like even with like y'all, it's just one big computer board.
It's very cleanly done. Like the Escalade, it's pretty.
Yeah.
Overwhelming. This is just simple and clean.
But I like it though. It gives like that futuristic spaceship vibe. The map already come up. You got 3 different, you know what I'm saying? You radio, you want to do something else. It's like 4 screens in one, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But the design of the interior, the way they modernized it, but I would say modernized it in a futuristic, a futuristic approach, like from the screens to the dashboards to the interior panels.
Like it still feels like a car.
Yeah,
it has a dashboard,
you know what I'm saying?
But it's sleekly done.
This is magnificent, man, and all of this is factory, and that's the thing. Like, and if y'all watched any of the videos I had with the RS7, and this thing got a nice pull to it too, man. Like, no lie. It's definitely a sleeper. You do not think because this truck is an SUV, you will crush it. Now, is this all-wheel or rear-wheel?
All-wheel.
All-wheel drive. So listen, I'm telling you, if you see this truck or any truck like this, do not think that it is not gonna do what it's supposed to do, because that is a lie. All right. But yeah, just like any German engineered vehicles, man, intakes, downpipe, and tune, and that's almost 200 horsepower right there. You feel what I'm saying? And just imagine, you got your kids in the back seat. Look how spacious this vehicle is. I can't get on this interior. Oh, I just peeped what's on the back of the headrest. A nice cushion head pillow, and nice 3rd row seating. All of that. Look, it got lights going down the side of the door jambs, not the door jambs, but where the door handle is. All this light up. It got speakers right there. All this illuminated. I can just imagine how this thing look at night. Panoramic roof. I wonder what these little dots for.
Those are LEDs. There's 15,000 LEDs.
Oh, for real?
That lights up at night.
So peep, I thought this was just like for show. Y'all can see that those are LEDs, and that's in both of the roofs. Those are in both of the roofs, man. Oh, that's tight. I didn't even know that. I didn't know that at all.
At nighttime, you can look through there and see LED lights.
Oh, that's tough. That's tough, man.
So even the cloudiest nights, you still have a starlit ceiling.
Yeah, like, oh, that's fire. That's fire, man. Crystal, oh, it's got crystal right there too?
Yep.
Man, what's the asking price for this truck, man?
$155.
$155. Now, think about it. 2024 or 23?
24.
24 BMW Alpina, right? XB7. Full family size sedan. 3rd row seating, crazy looking interior. You got LED lights in the sun. I've never in my life seen a factory vehicle. Matter of fact, I've never in my life seen a vehicle with LED lights in the sunroof, period. You see folks put the starlights around the upholstery, but never in the roof, right? Alcantara right here. You have I call it the cherry wood on the dash. The inside, it comes with the futuristic look with the, man, it's just, bro. They did this. Crystal gear knob. Futuristic screen. Listen, I can't say it again. Every time I come up here, it's always something new. It's always a different vehicle. But listen, this is, I don't even know. This one is a, and I'm getting massage while I'm talking to y'all. I'm getting massage while I'm talking to y'all, man. In a family sedan, a family SUV with a V8 twin turbo engine, man. Anyway, if y'all want to know more about these cars, y'all want to see more cars, y'all want to come buy one of these cars, y'all want to take a look around the lot and just see what they have to offer, come to BMW Montgomery, right? I keep forgetting the address. I'm going to tell Britt, say it one more time.
731 Eastern Boulevard, Montgomery, Alabama.
Oh, it's right there on the side. 36117, man. And ask for Britt, tell him Big Rob sent you, and I promise you, on everything, he will take care of you. And if it's someone in this lot you don't see and you want, tell him and he'll get it. So with that being said, man, until the next video that I review at this shop, you know, not this shop, but this dealership. This is a beautiful truck. What do they call that leather? Like, what's the correct? Tartufa?
Tartufa.
Tartufa. Tartufa. That's the name of it. That's how you know that shit fire and it's real. I've never even heard that word before. Tartuffe. That's what I'm gonna start saying. Hey, if you ain't got Tartuffe in your car, don't talk to me. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, man. Come see my boy Brett. He gonna take care of you. Until the next video.